FloorPlan home and landscape, perfect for the do-it-yourself beginner or the seasoned professional. It's easy to plan and create your dream home. When you create using our comprehensive set of 3D tools, you'll have a 2D floor plan to go right along with it. Experiment with a new kitchen or office layout, a new room in your house, or design new landscaping next to your deck. The only limit is your imagination. Easily organize your project into the 3D exterior house. View your project from aerial view. Customize your kitchen, living room, and bathroom. Visualize your project by LuxCore rendering and light emission. You can view your project by framing, clear view, and shaded view.